Hi, my name is Lakshmi, and today I will be showing a Power BI tutorial for Power BI Desktop on how to connect to two different data sources. The first one is a SharePoint list, and the second one is a website, a table from IMDB 250 movie website. So we have the data source information here, and let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. And first we will open the Power BI desktop application. Here's the icon. Once the application opens, we can click on Get Data directly from here, or we can also click on Get Data from the icon on the home screen. We click on this button, Get Data, and it opens a menu. We're going to type in SharePoint, and here it will show us the options, and we are going to select a SharePoint online list today to connect. Then click Connect here. Now we're going to enter in the site URL. So this is our SharePoint site URL. Okay, and click OK. Now it will prompt us to log in if needed. This is the account here, the account option here, and then we click Sign In and select the site. Now here we're going to pick our user because we have already selected credentials here. However, in your system, you can select and enter your own username and password as needed. Okay, then we click Connect. Okay, and this shows us the data here on the left-hand side, and it shows us the lists, and it gives the titles. And here we are going to select eFashion Store Sales Dataset today. It will show us a preview. We scroll through the preview and then make sure this is the data set that we want. Then click the checkbox, and then it will show us options here. We want to transform the data. We're going to click Transform Data. If it is already ready and we do not need to transform it, then we would just click Load. However, here we're going to click Transform Data, and it shows the data in the Power Query Editor. And here are our data columns. And you can scroll through and see the records. And that's it. So we now have connected to the SharePoint data source, the SharePoint list data source, and we're all set. Next, we are going to connect to the website for the IMDB top 250 movies. So this is the website here. You can see they've listed all of the movies. Going to take the URL, and in our Power BI desktop, we're going to again click on Get Data. Now we're going to select Other and Web. Then Connect. Click Connect. And here is where we are going to paste our URL and click OK. Here in the drop-down, we're going to select the URL and again click Connect. Okay, you can see that it has displayed a couple of folders here. We select the tables again, we can preview the data. So table 1 shows the rank and title of the movies in the 250 list. So we are going to select table 1. And then again, we're going to click Transform Data. And it will load this data into our Power BI editor here. And we may transform as needed. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great day.